Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my Weis couponing haul for the week of, December the 5th through the 11th, 2019. Just gonna jump into the deals. There's a lot to talk about. My daughter's watching a little kid show, so if you hear any weird noises, that's what that is. Alrighty. The McCain fries, doesn't have to be the wedges, but they are 3 for $5. Now, Ibotta has 75-cent rebates back on the dip-in wedges. That's automatic. You don't have to submit your receipt. Just make sure you have that unlocked. So that will make those $2.75 or 92 cents a piece. Turkey Hill is $1.50. I have a 50-cent coupon that they mailed me that doubled, making that 50 cents. And then the string cheese here are buy one, get one free. However, at Weis, it is confirmed now, definitely. I wasn't for sure. You don't have to buy them, buy one, get one free. They just ring up at 50% off. So they were $2.49 each. I had dollar pealies from, I don't know when I got those. And then I also had a 55-cent off any Frigo cheese brand. So that's no longer available, I don't think, but that doubled. So I paid $1.49 for 2 of them and then $1.39 for the other one. So a really good price on the string cheese there. The Glad wrap is $2.50. There's a 75-cent load to card. That doubles as well as a 75-cent printable. So I paid $1 for each of those. Good price for me. The Post cereal, my husband absolutely loved this Nutter Butter cereal last time I got it. So that's a Friday deal at buy one, get one free. Oh, I guess I should say, I think the fries are Friday. The cheese is a Friday deal and this Post cereal. So buy one, get one free, but it's actually 50% off, so $1.87 each. There's a 50-cent load to card that doubles and a 50-cent printable that doubles, making that $1.74 or 87 cents each. If you wanted to save some money and only get one of them, the digital would probably come off as well as the printable. Same thing with the Glad. You would actually get one for free or super cheap instead of 2 at a good price. So you do whatever you want. The flour was $1.47. I had a 71-cent load to card coupon that came off, so I paid 76 cents. And then the Weis chocolate chips, they're $2. $1.25 load to card coupon come off, so I paid 75 cents. That's strange amounts that are combined there, so I think maybe they combined the Weis brand coupons from Thanksgiving and the ones they give us for Christmas. I'm not for sure exactly how I got them that cheap, but that's what came off. The Progresso here are $1.49 when you buy 4. There's a 2 off of 4 load to card coupon, making that $3.96 or 99 cents each. Eggland's Best. So this, I have no idea how this worked out like this. So they were supposed to be on sale for $2.50. And somehow they're ringing up $1 off. So they're ringing up for $1.50. And then I had 3 50-cent printables that all doubled. So I paid $1.50 for all 3 dozen of eggs or only 50 cents each. I have no idea if that's only at my store or what. But yeah, that's a really good price on eggs, especially with all the Christmas baking coming up. Daisy Cottage Cheese is $1.25. I had a 45-cent coupon that they mailed me that doubled, so I paid 35 cents for that one. And then my Weis one, I thought this was the right freebie that was supposed to come off. Well, it didn't come off. It's 8-ounce Weis sour creams. I don't know if I'm looking at something incorrectly, but a 48-cent load to card coupon came off. So I paid, what was that, 70 cents or something? I don't know. But yeah, so it didn't come off. I got to just check into it. I don't know if I got the wrong thing or what. Now, these Weis trash bags, I had a $2.50 coupon that came off. My digital did not come off, which I thought they would come off because they usually do. So I'm just going to take these back. I'm not paying $6 something. They were like $8.36. So I just wanted to let you know, just in case you were going to try to do that deal. It's not working. Almost done. Let's do the Chobani here. I have Chobani coupons that they mail me for a free one, and then 50 cent off one, a free one, and $1 off one. So all of those were completely free. I did say in my giant video, make sure you tell your cashier that the one, if you have one for a free multiserve or whatever, that you tell them it's for $4.99, not the $1. So just make sure you do that. I had a mistake at Giant, and that's the second time. Okay, the Yoplait Go-Gurt is 10 for $5 when you buy 10. I had a 50-cent load to card. They usually double. However, this time it only doubled up to 9 cents. So it took off 59 cents because that's the regular price of one of them. And then I had 2 50-cent printables that doubled. So I paid $2.41 or 24 cents each. I'm kind of wondering if you just buy one of these, if the load to card would come off 50 cents off of one. I don't know. So If anybody wants to try it and let us know. I just went ahead. I didn't even think about that, and it's never only doubled up 9 cents. But that's the way it did it today, so I don't know if they are changing something or what. So a lot of good deals at Weis, good deals that we would definitely use. And that is it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.